These are not normal police cars, because this is not a normal city. Again, news from Dubai has hit the world. And the world says, wow, I don't believe it. But here is the proof. For the first time, the Dubai Police Special Cars Unit lets TV crews go on patrol with them for this Motorvision World exclusive. Gentlemen and ladies, start your engines. These two gentlemen are Jassim and Mohammed, members of the Dubai Police Force, on their way to their patrol car, a Chevrolet Camaro SS. Before it went on its first cruise, the Dubai Police equipped the Camaro with a computer, so the officers on patrol have access to all relevant data. They put a radio in to communicate with the 999 emergency center, and they put the flashing lights and the sirens on top. The Chevrolet Camaro SS has a 6.2-liter V8 supercharged engine and takes the car from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.6 seconds.
The Chevrolet Camaro really fits well with the Dubai Police Department. We ensure that we provide them a great vehicle, great performance, great comfort and safety built into the vehicle for the officer as they patrol the streets. So an extremely good fit between Dubai and Chevrolet.
Booty Al-Ghandi, whose company has been selling Chevys to the police in Dubai for more than 25 years, couldn't believe when he got the call.
For them to pick the Camaro as a police car, we were surprised actually. We never thought such a market would exist as a police vehicle. I believe the reliability of the vehicle, track record for the last 2 years, it's been launched just recently, is what made them decide on it.
Mohammed and Jassim do not even wink or smile, but act as if their car is just as normal as any other police car. But others do notice a difference. Dubai Police is one of the best equipped forces in the world. Officers from all over come to see their hyper-modern situation room.
Well, you know, Dubai is probably one of the most safest cities in the world, and I have a lot of respect for what the Dubai Police do to ensure the safety of the public.
I love my city. I love how everything works in Dubai, really. And the police is one big plus in it. When you walk out of the airport in Dubai, you feel safe from that first second. Whether you're a 5-year-old child or an old man, you still feel safe in this city.
Year by year, more people are coming to live in Dubai. But year by year, the already low crime rate is pushed further down. Major General Khamis Matar Al-Mazena is the second in command and explains how Dubai Police does the trick.
شرطة دبي في المقام الأول تعمل على إبراز الجانب الخدمي والجانب الأمني، توجد الجوانب الفعلية بالنسبة لإيجاد البيئة الأمنية المناسبة للاستقرار.